These are the 96 and 144-inch Lazer Z mowers from Exmark, the brand more landscape professionals trust. Built for this, and this. These wide-area Lazer Zs have raised the standard of productivity that all other commercial-grade zero-turns are measured by, allowing you to cut more grass in less time than ever before, and making them a great solution for commercial complexes, universities, municipalities, large residences, and other sizable areas with either varied or challenging mowing conditions. Both the 96 and 144-inch Lazer Zs utilize UltraCut rear discharge decks, as well as a 48-inch center deck and two innovative hydraulic wing decks to deliver Exmark's signature cut quality. Each wing deck is capable of flexing 20 degrees up and 15 degrees down, decreasing scalping risks and increasing the ability to mow uneven terrain more efficiently and precisely. When not in operation, the wings also fold up vertically, facilitating quick, easy loading and unloading and creating a reduced footprint during transport that enables these mowers to fit on trailers capable of handling a 72-inch rider. Let's take a look at the 96-inch Lazer Z mowers. The 96-inch machine is available with your choice of a gas or diesel-powered engine. The gas machine features a commercial-grade Kohler EFI 38-horsepower engine, while the 96-inch diesel machine is powered by a 37-horsepower Yanmar engine. Whether it's gas or diesel-powered, you'll mow with confidence knowing the 96-inch Lazer Z is built to withstand the rigors it will be put through each and every day. Now, let's turn to the 144-inch diesel-powered Lazer Z mower. This mower also utilizes Yanmar's leading-edge diesel expertise to deliver maximum power and fuel efficiency with a comparatively quiet performance. This heavy-duty machine is powered by a 43.5 horsepower Yanmar diesel engine. Just like its 96-inch counterpart, this diesel-powered Lazer Z features the advanced engine technology to protect the environment and clear Tier 4 emission regulations in full compliance with industry standards. It all adds up to make these large area machines the most productive Lazer Zs in Exmark history. Let's take a closer look. When operating your 96-inch Lazer Z at maximum efficiency, you can cut nearly 10 acres in just 1 hour, making you significantly more productive, even when compared to our industry standard 60-inch Lazer Z mowers. And then there's the 144-inch Lazer Z. It's even more mind-boggling. With 20 to 40% more productivity and efficiency over the 96-inch machines, the 144-inch Lazer Z can mow up to 11.5 acres per hour, making up the work of 3 72-inch machines. So yeah, whether it's a 96-inch model or the massive 144-inch addition to the Lazer Z family, you're cutting a lot more grass in a lot less time. And because operator comfort is critical to productivity, we put a lot of effort into reducing noise and vibration, even placing the operator seat in full suspension on ISO mounts so you can comfortably mow for hours. The 144-inch Lazer Z features an extra layer under the seat to keep the operator cooler and even more comfortable. Best of all, these mowing beasts consistently deliver that signature Exmark quality of cut you expect and your customers deserve every time. Whether it's 96 or 144 inches, you can purchase a wide-area Lazer Z mower with confidence, knowing it's fully backed by Exmark's industry-leading warranty. Stop into one of our 1,600-plus servicing dealers today and check out these massive Lazer Zs. From the brand more landscape pros trust. Exmark, built for this.